Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I appreciate you guys take your time and tune into my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm back again with another video. For those who just recently subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much guys for subscribing. And if you are tuning in for the first time and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. I make YouTube content every week and I promise I won't disappoint. So yeah, in today's video we're gonna be looking at this guy right here. So basically this is, yes, an iPhone 11. So you might be asking yourself, why are we looking at an iPhone 11 this time of the year? Yeah, we've done iPhone 11 on this channel before. That was 2 months ago. On the first video we actually looked at iPhone 11 alone, and then on the second video we actually compared it with its predecessor, which is the iPhone XR. It's still right here. So this iPhone 11 that I have here with me in particular, this is an iPhone 11 product red. So you might be wondering, what does it mean to say product red? So if you can look at the range of the iPhone 11, just iPhone 11 in particular, other phones, the other iPhone 11, they're called iPhone 11, maybe white, blue, or teal, or beige, whatever color it is. But if it's a red, they call it product red. So that's how it's actually named. So let me tell you a little bit about the red or product red part of this whole branding or naming. So basically the red part is the organization that actually does relief in terms of when we have things like breakout or diseases or disasters. They actually help out in the countries all over the world with the funds that are generated by making the sales of products like this one. So at the moment, most of the amount that you spend on buying product red, it's gonna go to the COVID-19 relief. As you all know that we are going through the pandemic at the moment, but basically in the past year, the red organization will actually make donations of the purchases of these devices towards the people who are living with HIV and AIDS, and that's mostly in sub-Saharan Africa. I guess I fall into that region as well. So, but to tell you more on the Apple side of the product red, so basically those are all the products that are coming in red color from the Apple side. So we are looking at from the iPhone range, we have iPhone 11, which is this one, and then we have iPhone XR, which is the predecessor of this one, and then we have the iPhone SE. The latest iPhone SE is also coming in product red, and then you also find accessories that are coming in red color. They also form part of our product red accessory. So we're looking at the covers for the iPhone, iPad, iPod, and then we also find iPod itself as a product red. We're finding Apple Watch, and then we also finding the Beats, and then the Beats speaker. So those all form part of the red product or product red, and basically they're all made for that cause, to actually send some purchases or the profit that are made by selling these devices. So there's actually nothing different from this iPhone from the rest. It's actually the same iPhone 11. The only difference is the color and the cost that goes in behind with this. So this is my first time actually looking at the iPhone 11. Actually, it's my first time looking at the product red from Apple. I've never touched one. I've seen them online. I've never touched one. So this is actually my first time looking and touching one. So I just want to see, how does it look? You know, how does it look and feel to have a red iPhone? And then is the color of the accessories also red? And what's so special about this? But one thing I'm actually noticing, I'm hoping is the same with the phone. Here on the box, down here at the bottom, I don't think you'll be able to see, but it just shows that it's a return product in brackets and then red on top, and then the actually branding around it, it's actually in red. The logo itself, Apple logo, is in red, and then the iPhone, it's also in red. This one that I have in particular, 64 gigs internal storage, and yes, same writing, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. So let's have a look at this guy right in here. Oh, there we go. I present to you the iPhone product red. So here it is. So yeah, like it's shown here on the box, they actually wrote on product red on the iPhone itself. So let's just switch it on and set it up with English country. It's saying Germany. Oh, back. I need South Africa. There's just something strange about this packaging. The main language is not English on the packaging. I'm worried. Let's find South Africa. There we go. Set manually. I'm just going to connect it to my Wi-Fi quickly. Okay. While the phone is busy booting up, let's just look at the package inside and see what we find in here. Already I can see there's something that has like a red sticker. So I'm sure this is what tells us more information about the product red. So yeah, product red. And then they wrote, in partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the Global Fund to support HIV/AIDS programs to help deliver AIDS-free generation. To learn more about this or to donate, visit www.red.org. Yeah, that's it about the product Red. And then this is just paperwork together with the famous Apple sticker, nothing new. So I think the only thing which is different from this package, from the rest of the iPhone 11, is the part that says product red and the color. And then going further, what we find in is the normal charger that we find with iPhones, and then we got in the earphones and the lightning cable for charging, which is right in here. So we all know all these things that Apple packages in their iPhones packages. So we're gonna put this back, and then I just want to look at the menu to see if there's anything specific or anything in particular that we need to look into. Set up later in the settings. Don't use the code, don't use the passcode. Don't transfer data. Forgot. Set up later in settings. Don't use. Agree to the conditions. Continue. Set up later. Not now. Continue. Oh, there we go. Okay, so yeah, the phone is fully set, and I was just looking if there's anything on the menu, but I don't think so, because iOS is iOS. What you get on the other device, that's what you're gonna get on this one. So this phone wants me to set up emojis. I'm not gonna do that now. But yeah, basically this is it. iPhone 11 product red, and then I just like the printouts, everything just red about the phone. So the buttons, and then even this part here, if you can check on my phone, it's really not so blue compared to the color of the phone. But here they try by all means to make everything to be the same color as the phone itself. Yeah, so my thoughts, I think for me, well, yeah, I like the idea and the purpose and everything behind making Apple product rates, the whole range and stuff. But I think another thing that I would like to see is for them to add the accessories that actually blends and goes with the color of the device. So we must get like a red cable, maybe even a charging brick if possible, and then we might also get like red headphones or earphones or earpods if possible. So but that's something that I would actually like to see with this. But I actually like the fact that you can actually get in the cover, but the thing is, what's the point of having a red cover if the phone itself is already red? So it would be nicer to get all other accessories to come in the color red. So yeah, that has been it about the iPhone 11 product red, guys. And I'll just be setting it up. This phone, I didn't buy it. I convinced somebody to buy the phone. I'm actually converting them from Android to the iOS ecosystem. So I'm actually about that game. So thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and I will see you on my next video. Please consider subscribing. I mean, let's have chat on the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want me to cover on my upcoming videos, and I will definitely see you guys on my next video. Bye.